Energy management is an important aspect of reducing costs and improving sustainability in many businesses and organizations. However, in some cases, energy management can actually end up costing you money if not properly implemented. Here are some scenarios where energy management may end up costing you money. Over-investing in energy-efficient technology. While investing in energy-efficient technology can lead to long-term cost savings, it's important to assess the payback period for such investments. If the payback period is too long, the investment may not be worth it, especially if there are other pressing business needs that require funding. Poor implementation of energy management strategies. Implementing energy management strategies requires careful planning and execution. Poor implementation can lead to unintended consequences such as increased maintenance costs, decreased productivity, and reduced comfort levels for employees or customers. Focusing solely on energy reduction. While energy reduction is an important aspect of energy management, it's important to also consider the impact of energy management on business operations and productivity. In some cases, energy reduction strategies may end up negatively impacting business operations and productivity, ultimately costing more money in the long run. Ignoring employee behavior. Employee behavior plays a significant role in energy management. Even with the most energy-efficient technology and strategies in place, if employees are not properly trained on energy-saving behaviors, it can lead to energy waste and increased costs. To avoid these scenarios, it's important to carefully plan and implement energy management strategies with a focus on both short-term and long-term costs and benefits. This includes assessing the payback period for energy-efficient investments, properly implementing energy management strategies, considering the impact of energy management on business operations and productivity, and properly training employees on energy-saving behaviors. With careful planning and execution, energy management can lead to significant cost savings and improved sustainability for businesses and organizations. Energy management is the practice of monitoring and optimizing the use of energy in buildings, facilities, and industrial processes. The goal of energy management is to reduce energy consumption, lower costs, and improve sustainability by identifying areas of inefficiency and implementing strategies to improve energy efficiency. While energy management is often seen as a way to save money, there are situations where it can actually cost money in the short term. One example of this is when upgrades or retrofits are necessary to improve energy efficiency. These upgrades can be expensive, and the cost may not be recouped through energy savings for several years. Another situation where energy management can cost money is when energy prices are low. In some cases, the cost of implementing energy-saving measures may be greater than the savings achieved through reduced energy consumption. In such cases, it may make more sense to delay or defer energy management initiatives until energy prices rise and the cost-benefit analysis is more favorable. Another factor to consider is the rebound effect, where energy efficiency improvements can lead to increased energy consumption as a result of lower costs or increased comfort. For example, installing more efficient heating and cooling systems can result in people using these systems more frequently, offsetting some of the energy savings achieved. In addition, there may be cultural or behavioral barriers to energy management that can make it more difficult to achieve the desired energy savings. This can include a lack of awareness or understanding of energy efficiency, resistance to change, or a lack of incentives for energy conservation. Despite these challenges, energy management remains an important tool for reducing energy consumption and improving sustainability. In many cases, the upfront costs of energy management initiatives can be recouped through energy savings in the long term. By identifying areas of inefficiency and implementing strategies to improve energy efficiency, organizations can reduce costs, improve sustainability, and enhance their reputation as responsible environmental stewards.